Greetings everybody from RADE Garage. In this installation video I will show you how to install our windshield and navigation setup on the CFmoto 800 MTX. You will get these parts from us: top plate for the tower, small tower, TFT dashboard holder, side holders for the windshield, front holders for the windshield, plate which will hold the TFT dashboard and navigation or phone mounting, plastic parts around the tower, and bag with bolts, nuts and other installation material. In bag with bolts, nuts and other mounting material you find this. You find this type of bolts: M5 by 16, M5 by 30, M5 by 60, M6 by 8, M6 by 20, RADE garage bolts, M5 self-locking nuts, M6 self-locking nuts, M5 rubber nuts, M5 plastic washers, M6 washers, M6 tooth washers, and these long tube spacers. During the installation we will use this M6 bolt with a flange, then we will use M6 tooth washer and M6 normal washer, and it will be in order: bolt, tooth washer and washer. For installation we recommend you these tools: Allen key size 5, 4 and 3, then wrench size 10 and flat screwdriver. In this chapter I will show you how to remove the original front so you can then install the windshield and navigation setup. We start by removing the windshield. To remove the windshield we need to take out 4 bolts. To remove them you will need Allen key size 5. We will remove these side transparent plastics. They are mounted by 3 bolts, 2 in the front and 1 on the side. You will need Allen key size 5. You will do the same on the other side. We will remove this plastic cover. You will push it up from the bottom like this and then forward. We will take down the TFT dashboard. There are 3 bolts, 1 here, second here, and third one is on the other side at the top. You will need Allen key size 5. Here is a tube spacer which we need to push to the left side. So from the right side you will push it out. We take the dashboard out and we disconnect the connector. Here is a connector for the USB which we disconnect too. Now we will push the cables to the front. Inside the original tower there are 3 bolts which we must remove. You will need Allen key size 5. Now we will take out the tower. We will prepare a few parts before we will mount them on the bike. We will prepare the front holders for the windshield. We will insert these rubber nuts to these holes. The front holders for the windshield should look like this. Take the TFD dashboard and we need to remove this original plastic holder. To do that, we need to remove these 4 bolts. You will need Allen key size 5. There are 2 ways how we can mount the TFD dashboard. First one is that we mount only the dashboard to this holder, or we mount the dashboard to this plate where we can also mount the navigation or phone holder next to the TFD dashboard. Mounting only the TFD dashboard is really easy. You will need these 4 bolts, this holder, and you will place the TFD dashboard like this, and then you will use these 4 bolts and Allen key size 4. To mount it on this plate where we can also place the navigation or phone holder, we do that. You take the TFD dashboard, we place the plate like this, then we will use these 2 bolts which will go here. You will need Allen key size 4. Then you will take this holder, place it like this. You will use these 2 bolts on the left side. Take these 2 bolts and self-locking nuts. The bolts will go from this side. And you will secure them by the self-locking nut. You will need Allen key size 4 and wrench size 10. We'll remove the USB ports from the original tower. You will need flat screwdriver, take the small tower and the USB ports and place them through this hole. Take the left side cover around the tower and M4 nuts. There are hexagon holes where we place the nuts. This is how the parts should look like before we can install them on the bike. In this chapter I will show you how to mount our windshield and navigation setup on the bike. Take the small tower, we will mount it on these 3 original points. You will need the original bolts which we take out from this place, and you will need Allen key size 5. The cables put aside like this. Take the side holder for the windshield. There is like C-type hole, which will go up to this hole, and you will use this space, and you will use this tube spacer inside to the tower. You will need Allen key size 4. Don't fully tight the bolt yet. On the left side, we will install the side windshield holder the same way like on the right side, but you will use this special bolt. There will be also tooth washer and then washer. Prepare the cable for the TFT dashboard like this. Now we will place the top plate inside the tower. It will be like you will push it a little bit back like this and then down. Now take the M6 bolts with the flange and we'll mount the top plate to the tower through these two holes. You will need Allen key size 4. Prepare two M6 bolts with the flange. Place there washer with the tooth and standard washer. One bolt will go here. Second hole from the bottom of the tower. You will need Allen key size 4. And the second bolt goes from the other side. Don't fully tight the bolts yet. Take the holder with the TFT dashboard. Take the connector and we will push it through this hole on the side. Now take the 4 M6 bolts with the flange and we'll mount the holder through these two holes. You will need Allen key size 4. Now we will mount it on the other side. Now we will connect the TFT dashboard. We will now place the plastic covers around the tower. Now take two M6 bolts with the flange and we will mount it to this hole. You will do the same on the other side. Now take these two bolts, these M5 bolts. Now take these M5 bolts, the long one and the short one. The long one will go to the front and the second one will go to the back here. You will need Allen key size 3 to tight these two bolts. Take the right front holder for the windshield and M6 bolt with a flange. There will be tooth washer, then washer. The bolt will go through this hole and the bolt will go through this line hole like this. Take the left side front windshield holder. We'll mount it the same way as the right side, but we will use this special bolt from us, where you will also use the tooth washer and then washer. Take this long tube spacer and two M6 bolt with the flange. Then there will be tooth washer and standard washer on each bolt. Place this long tube spacer between the front holders and then mount it by the bolts. Take the third tube spacer and these two bolts with round head, where you will use also standard washer. The third tube spacer will go here to the top of the front windshield holders and you will mount it by the bolt. Now take the Allen key size 4 and tight these bolts at the top on the front windshield holder. Take again Allen key size 4 and we will tight the bolts on the windshield holders. Don't fully tight them, we need to move with the holders like this. We will now return this transparent plastics back on the bike. You will need original bolts and Allen key size 5. We will take the RADE garage sticker and we will place it on the left side on the front windshield holder. Last, we will install the original windshield. You will need M5 bolts with the plastic washer from us. And also you will need Allen key size 3. The installation of windshield and navigation setup is now complete and I hope you will enjoy it on everyday adventure.